Someone is in the toilet. Alright, let's start. Ovin, can all of you take out notes? Don't understand. Alright, let's start with the first one. Okay, what is the side opposite the right angle? Hypotenuse. So can you write down this is the right angle, this is the side opposite the right angle, and spell out the word hypotenuse. Okay. Now, can you box this up and write down this is the longest side? In a 90-degree triangle. Okay? Do you know this person named called Pythagoras? He is the one who discovered this pattern. So, if you go and search this person, what happened in the past, long before calculator was born, was that he discovered this pattern on the floor when he went to visit some place. Alright, and then he looked at this floor. You go back to SLS, did you manage to shift the square? Right? He saw this pattern and then he discovered this pattern. And what is the pattern? He found out that if I take the longest side, which is c square, and I take a square plus b square, it is always equal to c square in a right angle triangle. So y square, because he formulated this by observing the pattern on the floor, and the pattern on the floor then was something like that. It was a huge square, it was a huge square, it was a huge square. Yeah, very ugly. So I regretted. Okay, so let me draw again. Maybe I draw at the side. Can you write down this is 3? So what is this area? If I have a 3, what is this area? 3 square, right? Then after that, I have another box here. This is 4, this is 4, assuming it's a square. So what is this area? 4 square, right? So this is 16, right? And if this is 5, what is this area? 25, right? So the question is 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square? What is 3 square plus 4 square? 9 plus 16. Is it equals to 25? Yes. Right? And hence the birth of Pythagoras theorem. Alright, so I pause the video. I pause the video first. I tell you all a story. The theorem. In exam, you will never see A, B, and C. So can you label this properly? This is always the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, which is the length that is opposite the 90 degree. All these three mean the same thing. So you must always remember not any a square, b square, c square. The c square always refer to the hypotenuse. Okay, you can write c square equals to a square plus b square. So where do you write? On the bottom there's a line, right? Different notes. Same notes. Yeah. But I will not go to that first. Now let's jump to the next activity. Easy to identify hypotenuse. Yes, right? Do you manage to write down? Next. Need me to go through? No need, Can I go straight to the page you need me to go through? What page? Fly to which question? Page 5. So 1 to 4 is okay? Right. So let's go to page 5.